Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to stop sharing posts from Facebook to Instagram. It's very simple and easy. Watch full video so you don't miss out any important step. So first of all, open Facebook application on your mobile phone, then tap on profile picture on the top right corner. In the menu you will see settings icon on the top right side. So tap on the settings icon, then settings and privacy page will open. Here tap on account center. In the account center, under connected experiences, you will see the option sharing across profiles. So tap on it. Then you will see your Facebook profile. So tap on your Facebook profile. On the next page, you will see the option your Facebook posts, and the option is enabled. It means when you share any post on Facebook, it also shares to your Instagram. So simply turn off the option and now your Facebook post will not be shared to Instagram. So that's it, and this is how you can stop sharing posts from Facebook to Instagram.